I just heard it move. It's a cicada. Many years ago, I mistakenly called them locusts. They make sounds in trees at night. I just heard it move. Whoops, it flew. I didn't get to show it very well. Here, plane. June 27th, 2022. See, that one closed up. Anything that the sun shines on, morning glory showed up. Oh, I was going to show a shell of one. That's what them cicadas come out of. Seemed like I saw another one somewhere else the other day. Sounds like more than one plane. I can't see, especially looking up at the sun. Can hear them, but not see them. I saw a shell not too long ago, one of them cicadas. Ah, here. 1, 2, 3. In certain locations, in my experience, in a different location not far from here, this is a peach tree. Putting out some peaches, whether they amount to anything or not. It hasn't put out good peaches in quite some time. Whatever that substance is. There's one. A peach. There's 2 more. They probably won't be that good. There's a bunch. Oh, that's empty. The tank, propane tank.